Goods na ako.
Yan. Tara. May nag-ayos lang ng antena
Ay,
sa
wait
taas.
lang. Isa pa, sorry. Hindi na re-record. No. Post ko. Okay. Ay, it's na. Sorry. Let's go. Ano nga ba to?
Open natin yung family mo. Based dun sa binabuksan mo kabuksan. Based sa picture kanina, trailer yung bahay.
Spoiler.
Ito may trailer dito.
Hey, Leo. This one is in better shape than the one we messed up.
Sorry, no?
Ang daming tao dito Tama bang dito lang tayo?
Wala ba dito? Walang... Yung trailer.
Hindi ako double shot.
Hey, mister. I'll clean your shoes for $1.
Nah, I'm fine.
Come on.
Hindi ako. Gaalok ng linis ng sapatos.
Gusto mo
Ito
sa...
muna tayo maglakad.
Why? Why?
Hey, I'm looking for someone.
Ito.
That's not my problem.
A woman and a boy, this tall. Have you seen them?
So, still not my
Ewan
problem.
ko ah.
Well, why don't you leave me alone?
Ano sasabihin
How
mo?
about a drink then? Would that refresh your mind?
Now we're talking. Booze always refreshes my mind.
Deal.
Yeah.
You tell me all you know, and I'll get you some booze.
Oh, no, 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 no.
Ah,
You get me
saan
what I
ako kukuha ng
want, and I
alcohol?
tell you what I know.
Hanap tayo ng
Got that?
alcohol
Come on,
ngayon.
man.
Baka.
Hell no. I know your kind.
To hell with this.
Kung may nakita lang. Parang
Dito
lawak
muna
pa
tayo.
lang. Sige.
Dito muna tayo. Try
Ayan.
play baseball.
Oy! May laban uli.
Hey, man.
Can I
Ako
have a go?
magbabat.
Sure thing. Here.
Ikaw
Thanks.
yata Ay, hindi. Ako lang Teka lang Left. Ano yung
Okay.
LNB?
Left
okay,
mouse button.
Ala! Ulang. Ala. Okay, gets ko na. Too late.
Nice. Nice. Oh. Good hits.
Hindi na dadagday. Pangit kasi yung isa, yung pangalawa. Oh.
Nice.
Ano yung 103?
Ano yung 125 yung score. Ano yung 103?
125.
Hold? Nadadagdagan na yung score ko kahit nakatira ako yun. Ay, na.
Huh?
Now that's a home run.
Nice.
Ilang tira ba to? Wala lang. Ako ba susuko?
Pataasan ng score.
Oo. Teka. Kasi hindi natin binilang kung
Got it.
ilang bola, no?
Now that's a home run.
Okay lang?
Ano yun?
Basta pataasan.
Come on.
88. Hindi ko sure.
Nagkalas na to.
Thanks. I'm done.
Ikaw nga.
Okay. Bye-bye.
Ano din? Oh.
Hey, what's up?
Can I take a swing?
Yep, go ahead.
Thanks.
Ano sa'yo, RT?
Yeah.
Shit.
88.
Ano yun? Hindi ko
Hindi
gets.
ko maintindihan.
Boom.
Dahil
bilis.
hindi tayo marunong baseball.
Baseball?
Pero hindi ba by points yun pag home run?
Hindi. Oh.
Yeah.
Uy, sayang. Hindi siya tinamaan.
Ay, sama na ugali.
Yeah!
12.
To the moon!
Bakit sa akin pa baba?
Shit!
Sa'yo pataas. Gets!
Yeah!
Ayun no, patagilid yun sa akin.
Shit!
Pindot.
Yeah!
Ay, bakit nga pupunta lang dun sa'yo?
Damn it!
Walang tumataas?
Wala.
Yeah! To the moon!
Ah, okay.
Wait na.
Damn it!
Pindot.
Yeah!
Pindot.
Yeah! To the
Yun.
moon!
Pindot.
Oh, Luis, yun, tumataas. Uy! Uy! May nakuha akong achievement.
Yeah!
Meron? Ala,
Oh, home run.
Yeah!
Yun!
To the moon!
hindi ko nakuha yun. Nakakameran din ako na. Malayo ah.
Ikaw
Ano
naman
nga?
ulit. 200
Sure.
plus.
Nice batting.
Parang
200
200 plus. Try mo ulit.
Okay.
Hi there.
Dadagdag lang kaya yung points ko. O bagong set.
Can I have a go?
Hindi ko pa
Sure
rin
thing.
gets yung
Here.
point
Thanks.
yun. Pero mukhang
Ayaw ko nang
sa
isipin.
distance nga ata.
Ay,
Come on.
bobo. Ay! Hindi na gumagana. Ala,
Hirap din eh, no?
tumatama.
Noise.
Hindi nadagdagan.
Oh.
Tama.
Ah, crap. Nice.
Win. Oops.
Hindi nadagdagan yung points ko kahit lumayo. Kahit umano yung bola.
Ang weird nga eh, kasi may times na pag na-miss mo dun siya nadadagdagan. Kaya hindi ko
Come
gets.
on.
May times din na pag naanuhan mo tsaka nadadagdagan. Puta.
Parang the tower lang to eh, no?
Hindi na nadagdagan yung points ko kahit nakaano ako.
Oh,
Kahit nakakatira ako. Ano yun?
Come on.
Dito pa tama. Bakit ganun?
Got it.
Yan.
saan?
Come on.
Nadagdagan yung points ko.
101.
Now that's
Pati
a home
points
run.
ko wala.
Tingin ko kasi 150 yung pinakamataas mo tira.
Nauna. So, dapat
Got it.
Uy, nice.
putik na yan.
Nice.
Crap.
Oh, goods kaya yun.
Got it.
Uy, yun, nice.
Now that's a home run.
Ito lang.
Got it.
Ano? Hindi na nakatama na maayos.
Yung nasa baba, yun yung point mo. Ata? Bakit yan 90?
Come on.
Ito, bumababa na yung tap. Baba na yung tapon na itong si Raul. Ayoko na. Wala akong pakialam sa
I'm done.
achievement.
Okay, bye-bye.
Hindi ko maintindihan. Ito may pintuan dito.
Oh, pwede ako dito. Tama ba?
Sige nga. Try.
Sige nga.
Hey, want to try? Hi there.
Hey, man.
Sige,
Yeah,
start
sure.
Can I have a
teaching.
go?
Sure
Here you go.
thing. Here.
Thanks.
Thanks.
Ayusin mo ah.
Spin. Right.
Party.
Sweetness.
Ala,
crap.
wala na tumama. Ala. Butas
Now
yata
that's
yung
a
bat
home
ko.
run.
Ay,
Wonder.
Ah, crap.
Nag-ano siya. Angle. Ay, loko. Dediretso lang.
Ay, putik na ako nagpindot.
Ay,
What do you miss?
Boom.
Nice.
Boom.
Nice.
Ay, wala na. Pero is talaga nagdadagdag yung points ko.
Crap.
Ayoko na, palit tayo.
Thanks. I'm done.
Okay.
Thanks, I'm done.
Sige, sige.
Okay, see you around.
Ate, ako dyan.
Hey, you interested?
Hey,
Hey, what's
I'll
up?
do a few pitches.
All right, go ahead.
Thank you.
can I take a swing?
Yep, go ahead.
Thanks.
WASD.
Kailangan ko bang swing?
Yeah.
Nice.
To the moon. Good hit.
Oh, why not?
Yeah.
Nice.
Ano, ito yung nangyayari kung nagda-WASD ako.
I-hold mo. Magka-curve yung bola.
Ah! Oo nga, no. Kaya pala hindi ako nakakatira. No. Kaya pala, hirap yung tira kanina. Yun, umangat yung bola.
Loko eh.
Pero hindi na nadadagdagan yung points eh, no?
Hindi.
Good hit.
Bumabanking yung bola.
Yeah. Curveball.
Turball.
Good
Mm.
hit.
Oh, ay!
Nagalit.
Ano ugali mo, ah?
Isa pa. Curve mo pa yan, ah. Nagalit.
Kutit mo, ah.
Good hit.
Wala, hindi na nadadagdagan yung points natin dito.
Ako okay na.
Curveball.
Wala na to.
You're welcome.
Okay, I'm good.
Sure. Nice batting.
May tao dito, nabubuksan mo ba to?
Hindi.
Boy, papasok! Boy, papasok, boy!
Hanap ako ng alcohol sa basurahan. Para ipamigay dun sa tao. Oh, dito ba tayo nang galing? Dito. Autotech.
Whoa. What the hell happened to this car?
Beats me. Just doing my job.
Looks pretty banged up. You sure you can fix it?
Damn sure I can.
Yun lang. Like,
Sama ng ugali
Looks
ng
like
right
some kind
side.
of accident.
One hell of an accident. You know what? I don't think the driver survived.
Yeah, looks that way.
God bless him, man. Or her, I guess.
Hopefully they're in a better place now.
Yeah.
ayun lang yun.
Ako naman.
Ikaw naman.
Pwede ko pa siya.
Excuse me, quick question.
Hang on. What's up? Kind of busy.
Yeah, I can see that. But I'm wondering if you've
Matillion.
seen a 30-something woman.
Dapat
with a kid?
ikaw nga lang ata nakikipag-usap kasi ikaw yung may hinahanap.
Ah,
She's hot, right?
Of course she is.
Ako wala lang.
She's my wife.
Oh, okay. I hear you.
So when was the last time you saw her?
I see her every day.
Oh yeah? Where's she at?
How come you don't know
Ako
who your
po.
lovely wife is?
Don't be a smart ass, man.
loko
Just tell me
to
where
ah.
Oh,
Okay, just continue down that road.
she- All right.
Okay. Ano meron dito sa loob?
wait. Yan, pwede kang magmartilyo dyan. Ay, nalubog ko na kasi. Sorry. Nalubog ko na yung ano dyan.
Ah, meron dito.
Ay! Napa-cutscene. Ayan!
Action.
Yung anak
Oh,
ko!
saan ka? Masan?
Leo,
Where?
I think I see your kid down there.
Ay!
Let's check
Pasok
it
ka
out.
ulit doon sa ano. Pasok ka ulit.
Saan? Oh, dito.
Ayan. Ito. Yan.
Wait lang.
I saw your son.
Where's my son?
May nagagawa pa ba doon sa ano? Balikan natin. Kasi di ba may isa pang area?
Oh. Tara.
Balik tayo dito. Alam natin naman eh. Oh, may nagkakalakal dito.
Kalakal.
Ay, nag-aayos pala ng ano. Ay, may swing Ay, pwede magano
Oh, wait, kausapin ko.
I'm sure you're having a rough day, but I'm
Ay,
looking
hindi
for
pala.
someone.
Kala ko may
A woman and
A woman, huh? I used to have a gorgeous woman. Money. Just
Itong mga to
look at me
eh.
now.
my heart goes out to you, buddy. But I got my own problems. I'm looking for my girl.
Are you rich?
What does that have to do with anything?
I'm just saying. If you are and then you go poor, she's going to leave you.
You know what? I'll leave you to it.
Okay, bye. Nasaan ka?
Ay, hindi ko alam kung pwedeng dalawa ba tayo dapat nandito.
Oh.
Pero tinitignan lang.
Eh.
Ay, naglaro nga.
What the hell are we doing?
I don't know. You sat down first.
No, I
Grown
didn't.
up men eh.
Did I?
This is getting awkward.
Yeah, Vincent.
Cute.
Yeah. What?
Nothing.
Ay,
Uy, achievement.
may slide Ay, hindi
Oh,
pwede.
bawal.
Ayun may bote. Ay, bote
Nasaan,
ba yun?
nasaan?
Pero wala palang laman, bote lang talaga.
Sagin ko sa
Diyan sa
ulo.
slide.
Oh,
Yun, nasa taas ng slide,
okay.
pero empty bottle. Ano
oh,
ba yung diretso kanina?
pwede.
Oo, ito. Tama, dito tayo. Parang dumpster.
Sana hindi pa yan yung bahay.
So, parang sa baba.
Eto.
Ayan, tanong ka, kausapin mo yan.
I'm looking
Hindi,
for
hindi
someone.
pwede yung
So
mabuhay.
am I.
Pwede buksan yung
My
ano.
goddamn husband. He better be back
Wala,
soon.
cheese
Uy!
buksan ng kuha tayo pagkain. Ay, smells na lang.
Smell lang.
What'd he do?
That bastard's
So,
been
sakto-
cheating on me, and nobody cheats
Kunin
on
mo
Ay,
na.
me.
kaamoy
I
yun.
guess he didn't know that.
Ayaw nga, ay, amoy
Good luck
lang.
anyway.
If you see him, you let me know.
I'll tell you what. If I see him, I'll think about it.
Gusto ko din nun.
Amoy na din
Barbecue.
yan. Ayun din, amoy din.
Yan. Uy!
Ay,
Kinain.
gawa siya.
No! Binalik.
Binalik, kinagatan lang. Bastos.
Kasi nga ako nga yung masamang tao. Ikaw
Hindi
yung
marunong
civilized na tao.
mag-appreciate. Hindi marunong mag-appreciate ng small things. Wala na dito.
Ba't yung sumisigaw dyan?
Meron?
Oh, never mind. What the hell?
Bakit ng tunog? Bakit ganun?
Nakakasa. Ba't naman may ganun? Ibang natin. Okay.
Ay, pwede ka.
Yeah?
Hey,
Hey,
what's
Magulo.
going on in there?
Never mind what's going on. What you want?
Cletus, come on, honey.
Coming, sugar. Calm down.
I'm getting cold in my lady parts.
Okay. Okay. I got to go. Bye now.
That gotta be that lady's husband. Maybe
Oh.
I should tell her.
Ako hindi ako nakakapag-knock. Wala sa akin. Ikaw lang.
Sasabihin ko lang dun sa asawa.
Ayan ba yan?
Daw.
Sige, chismis mo.
Hey, lady.
Chismosa
Did you find
ka.
Come with me. I might
Ayan
have
na,
to tell where your husband is.
Hala ka.
You see that trailer over there?
Pakailamero eh.
Yes.
All yours.
Oh, he's gonna get it
Tara,
now.
tignan natin. Dali.
Let's go. Ayun!
Ay, taray.
Oh! Nakuha mo yung
Nakuha ko din,
achievement?
Oo, no cheating. Nakuha ko din.
Nice.
Ikaw yung may ginawa. Napanoorin natin ang mangyari dito.
Tago tayo.
Go, ate, go. Go, ate, go.
What the hell are you
Tago.
doing?
Patayin mo!
Cheats on my
Ay!
Oh.
Uy,
Kita ba dito?
uy.
Uy, kita sa window. Ay, hindi. Ano ba?
Hindi.
Hehehe.
Wala, hindi. Wala na.
Ano natin?
Wala, dito tayo.
Chismis lang ako. Ayan, tumigil
Makikinig
na.
ka lang. Baka lumabas. Makita ka.
Wait.
Hala. Anong nangyari? Tumigil sila. Wala, hindi kita eh.
Wala, no? Oh,
Wala
kala ko
eh.
pa naman may... Wala, pinatay na niya. Wala na akong sumisigaw.
Patayan na sila, pati yung babae.
Malabas na. Oh,
Wala talaga.
nakakalimutan ko kung paano mag-stream.
Come here.
Wait, wait,
Ay,
wait.
lawan pa na kita.
Hey, Linda!
Hey,
Over here.
Linda.
Leo! Hey!
Oh my God.
Ay, naku, may pulis. Tatakbo na naman.
Cops.
Naku po.
Alam niya eh, no?
Alam niyan tatakas.
Alam niya
Afternoon,
tumakas.
Everything all right around here?
What do you want?
Mind if we ask you a few questions?
Yeah, I do mind. I'm kind of busy here.
Ma'am, your husband is broken out of prison.
Stop calling me ma'am, okay? I have no clue where he is.
Listen, if he tries to make contact with you, you let us know.
Yeah, sure.
Mukhang tatakbo na naman tayo dito ah.
Ah,
We should be fine now.
All right.
sure ka ba?
Lalakas ng katawan eh.
We good?
Of course we are. You okay?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Good.
Haba
Hey,
ng
Alex!
cutscene.
Look who's here!
Alex!
Movie nga talaga.
Kaya nga eh.
Kung siya yung nakakita na nasa prison yung dad nito.
Nakita niya ba? Hindi ko alala eh.
Sa newspaper.
Ah,
Yung binabasa niya yung newspaper, di ba?
hindi nakita niya dun na tumakas si tatay niya.
Ah,
Just a little bit upset.
oh.
He found out?
Yeah, he saw it in the papers.
Oh, shit.
It's okay, baby. Come here. So, is this the guy?
Yeah, this is, Vincent.
Nice to meet you, ma'am.
Hey.
Linda, I need to tell you what's going down.
Yes, but first, you need to go talk to Alex.
Of course.
Okay.
Wait.
Hey,
Hey,
that's a really nice bike.
thanks. So, how long have you known Leo?
A while.
Metro darts
I
din
guess.
dito.
Darts.
Darts.
Ayoko na magpag-usap sa'yo.
Darts na lang tayo.
Bigla.
Bullseye. Ah,
Tatlo lang.
Almost there.
Okay. Nope.
Yep, I'm the best.
Hoy, taray. Oh no.
really?
Nice. Nice. Ako.
Rating ko. Feeling ko may achievement din dyan.
Sa'yo na naman ako nakatingnan. Nagalaw ko
Distracted
yung
lang.
mouse ko. Ano?
Hindi, random lang ata.
Not focused.
Random lang. Okay.
Parang
It was
napaikot-ikot.
alright.
Kailangan ko lang
Oh,
maitapa.
the hell with
Okay,
this.
talo ko. Okay.
Wait lang ah. Try ko. Perfect.
Alright, I got this. Watch me.
Dapat perfect. Pag to, walang achievement.
Yep, I'm the best.
Ah!
Almost
No.
there.
Ay. Like, CR lang.
Bullseye. Almost there.
Oh, what? Mataas yung kanina.
All right, I got this. Watch me. Fuck. Yep, I'm the best. Yep, I'm the best. I knew it, I'm the champ.
Oh. What about 50?
Yep, I'm the best. Yep, I'm the best. I knew it, I'm the champ.
Ngi. Long achievement. Two.
Perfect mo.
Oo, pero walang achievement eh.
Hindi ko na itatry.
Kaso. Saan si Alex?
Nasa loob ng bahay.
Oh, pumasok ka na ba?
Hindi pa.
Ah,
Pero
kanina.
nandun siya sa...
Ito.
Ay,
Ay.
kausapin mo yung asawa mo.
Hey, did the cops bother you?
No more than I can handle.
What they say?
You know, the usual bullshit.
Oh, trust me, I know. How you holding up?
Leo, listen. We can talk later. Go check up on Alex first.
Okay, I will.
Okay.
Oo.
Uy, ano yun?
Nawala lang. Sipa-sipa. Ay, wala na. Nagsipa ako na.
Uy, laruan ni Alex yun eh.
Sipa.
Ayos ka. Dapat may ganitong bahay ako para
Work if not.
saan ako napupunta.
I could use your help.
Nah,
You get
never
something
mind.
for me?
Trailer. Ay, hindi ako pinapasok.
Ah, tutulungan mo siya.
Ano pumasok?
Wait, ano daw? Sabi.
Ayan no, tatay. Kayong tatlo.
Pwede ba makita yung ibang drawing? Pangit naman ang drawing. Joke lang.
Parang ang dami pwedeng gawin yan sa loob. Ang dami ko
Oo.
nakita ano eh.
Ito, pwede mag-exit.
This
Totoong
was a
tao.
great
yun.
day.
Totoong bata.
Bakit mukhang Asian yung kid? Ito sino?
Yan na, may movie na ulit.
Leave me alone.
Lo. Ay, puntahan mo.
Ay, bad trip na. Pindot ko eh. Ay,
Oh, galing. Kita mo. Habang nagmo-movie sa akin.
wala. Ito siyang treehouse. Ah, nasa treehouse niya siya.
Okay.
Ingay mo kanina ha.
Those were happier
You
times.
needed help with something?
Yeah, I do. Grab me a wrench from the shed over there, please.
Absolutely, ma'am. Here you go, ma'am.
Thanks.
All right.
Ah, so,
Wanna
punta
start
na
it off
muna
for
ako dun.
Yeah, I could do that.
Ikaw dyan
Go
muna.
ahead.
Ikaw lang. Damot na ito ah.
Siguro. Oo
Ay,
nga,
oo nga,
wala
no?
ka. Oh, so
Tama
tutulungan
ko.
mo. Wala ko dyan.
Tama ko.
Bye-bye!
Nabubuin na. Baka gagamitin natin itong motor na to. Getaway motor.
Baka nga. Uy!
Ay, mali.
Ah, isa-start mo.
Ay, mali. Hmm. Wala, ma'am. Sira pa.
Come on,
Ano ba
buddy.
yan?
Tinawag.
Ano ba yan?
Let me out.
Lumit pa yung screen ko.
Alex. Hey,
Ay, achievement.
Nice!
what's this?
Tinaas niya yung ladder, bastos na bata.
Hey, look, the sign is broken.
Hmm.
Why don't you come down and help me fix it?
Help me.
No?
Kailan ko
Alright.
siya i-hold? Ganun lang.
Don't worry, I'll fix it for you.
Okay na, ma'am. Okay na, ma'am.
Let's see. I
Tigilan
think
mo
I'm
na
gonna
yan.
need a hammer.
Hammer.
Rinig mo yung motor.
Ah,
Okay, tapos na namin gawin.
right. Ako naman.
Magkumpuni ka muna dyan.
Oh. Ang gagawin ko.
Oh, this sign is
Pok-pok lang.
beautiful. Alex, you should come down and see it.
Ayun na siya. Grabe yung screen mo. Ay, wala na talaga.
Wala na. Movie na ulit.
I love you, buddy. I love you so much.
You wanna play some basketball?
Sure. But you know I'm better than you at basketball, right?
No, you're not.
Yes I am.
Oo.
You wanna shoot some
Kasi hindi
hoops?
pa kayo bola.
Could be fun, but maybe we should
Uy.
get going.
Oh,
Kunin
come
mo.
on, just one game.
Come on, Vincent.
Okay, guys. One game.
Get ready to lose, boy.
Wala.
I'm gonna win.
Sinipa
Ah,
niya
you
yung
know I'll
bola.
win.
Hindi pa kayong bola pala yun eh. Ay,
Oh.
sali ako.
Are you
One
guys
versus
ready?
one
Oh, we're
versus one.
ready. Let's go.
Okay. Daddy, pass it to me.
Catch, buddy.
Ay,
Kaya mo yan. Asan na? Ay,
oh, 3 points. Joke lang.
Scoring like Abdul-Jabbar.
Abdul-Jabbar.
Daddy, pass it
Oh.
to me.
Ay na.
Ba't wala pinapasok?
Pinapasa mo.
Loko ka. Asan ka? Go!
Ano pinasahan mo na?
Go, 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 go. Ba't ikaw?
Vincent, pass
Bakit
the
pas?
ball.
Ay, sa kanya ba
Ah.
dapat?
Baka sa kanya. Pa-shoot mo nga siya. Kawawa namin. Tayo yung naglaro eh. no?
Pasa.
Daddy, pass it to me.
Oh, oh.
May
Namin.
pasa sa kanya. Go, buddy. Go, buddy.
Go, go, go.
Help, Alex. Help, Alex. Ako.
Yan. Ah, yun naman pala. Natutuwa akong mag-shoot eh.
You think?
Yeah, you should become a pro.
Really?
I'll be right back.
Yeah, okay. You're a natural talent. You're way better than us two.
I'm gonna be the
Hey,
best.
beautiful.
Hey. Well, would you look at that? You guys seem to be getting along all right.
We are. But I need to get going soon.
Yeah.
Laro
I know.
kayo.
I'm just happy to see him smile again.
Yeah.
Come on, let's talk.
Pero takbo lang ng takbo eh.
So,
Uy, tingnan mo kami.
this is home now?
Not for long.
Saan
PDA.
tayo
Alex found
pupunta?
us, then Harvey could
PD.
too.
PDA,
We've gotta
PDA,
get moving.
PDA.
Talakad tayo sa
You know
paddle.
what? Let's just leave. Let's get out of here.
And You
Ano
really
may
think Harvey
papasa
will leave
kayo,
us alone?
Alex?
That murdering bastard. How the fuck could I trust him?
It is what it is. This
Papasa sa'yo,
is the
bakla ka.
life we chose, Leo.
Ay, bayo ka.
Let's
So,
just
tama
deal
ba
with it.
si Leo wala din talagang
I'm gonna set things right.
kasalanan?
I'm
Or,
going after
ay
Harvey.
hindi, nagnanakaw
Oo.
I'm
din
not
siya
gonna
eh.
get away with this.
Ay, hindi ko maalala.
Ano ba?
Ano may pasa kaya, Alex?
Sabay.
Walk to the trailer daw eh. Buo, ang layo naman.
Hindi kasi nagbabasa eh.
Oh,
Ay, tanggal ka na ulit.
Linda, any idea where Ray is?
nawala na naman ako sa frame.
What do you want with that asshole?
I need to find him. I'm sure he knows where Harvey's hiding. Have you seen him lately?
Yeah, he's working at that new construction site downtown.
Okay, good. I need you to be ready to leave the country as soon as I'm back.
Don't worry about that. I'll take care of it. You just make sure to get back safe, okay?
Yeah,
No, don't just yeah me. Get back safe or I'll kick your ass.
okay, I promise. By the way, do you still have that piece?
I do. Wait.
Ayan.
Here you go.
Baril.
I love
Yan na,
you.
may baridad ang mangyayari.
Love you too.
Naninintay mo.
Ah!
Ay, PDA.
Did you see my shots?
Yeah, you were really good. Like I said, you're a real pro.
You think?
Nice going,
Ay, wala
buddy.
yung motor.
Hmm?
Wala yung motor sa gilid.
I have to
La,
leave.
oo nga no.
Do you?
Yeah, I do. But you take care of your mom now, all right?
Can we play one more game?
Next time, I promise. Now, come on, give me a hug.
Oo.
Oo.
All right, buddy.
Oo.
Go to your mom now.
Okay.
Ito na, sa likod ko na naman nakaupo. Nakahiga.
Akira.
Hindi.
Meow.
Hirap na naman ako upo sa upuan ko.
Meow. Ay, nakita mo yung aso. May pasalubong kanina. Daga yung pusa namin sa labas eh.
Papasukin mo na kasi.
Murder din eh.
Ah, ba't di sila, hindi
Sure, this Ray guy will give us
Hindi
Harvey's
pinahuli
location.
nung bus driver
better.
sila.
What if he doesn't?
Hindi nagbabasa ng newspaper yung
You
bus
will.
driver.
Trust me.
Pwede. Pero pag, ano kasi, hindi mo naman talaga marirealize na
Where do
may,
you think you're going?
Sa bag.
We're here to talk to someone. What's the
na,
problem?
What do you think this is? A coffee shop? This is a construction site. You can't just waltz in
hinahanap siya
here.
ng mga
Criminal.
pulis. Ito,
Saan tayo?
bluff?
Bluff. Bluff.
Oh, yeah?
Hindi ko
You gonna
nabasa eh.
stop me?
You'll have to excuse my colleague. He hasn't had his morning coffee yet. But he's right, though. We're here to check if this site is up to code.
Jesus Christ. Another inspection? What is it with you guys?
Eh,
Just keep
matalino nga.
coming and
Sa'yo.
coming and coming.
That's how we keep you honest.
That's right.
There you go.
Okay. Door
You
time.
better hope you're building to code, man.
Damn inspections. How many of these guys are they gonna send?
Nice job.
I wish I could say the same.
You would have.
Suotin mo
If I
naman.
had done the talking.
Leo. Always cocky.
Dapat hard
I
hat
can't help it.
area
I've been
to
like
eh.
this
Ba't
since I was a
ang
kid.
dalawang to?
Yeah, right. I bet you were just a sweet little boy.
No, I wasn't. What are you talking about?
Ano yun?
Relax, tough guy.
Kala ko
Kala ko
napipili.
Are
may,
you being
ako din eh.
sarcastic?
Me?
Yan din
Nah,
nakita ko
I'm
nung,
just keeping you
Wala.
honest.
Keeping me honest
Teka,
about
dito
what?
tayo. Dito.
You being a nice little boy.
May ref dito. Ay, toilet pala to. Ref. Ang putik.
uy, ihin na. Tagal na kayong hindi umiihi.
Ay,
Ah.
tagal naman. Tumae na pala.
3 araw na eh.
Ay, ito sumipol pa nga.
Sa akin ba yun?
Oo.
Sige.
Yata. Ito, hindi nabubuksan yung pinto. Ikaw, ulitin.
Eh, saan?
Yung pinto.
Saan tayo pupunta?
Dito tayo, explore tayo. Hindi na
Ayun.
pumatalo ng sudo. Oh no! Hanging bridge.
Oh,
Ah,
run! Push!
Ay, gusto ko to, mixer.
Ba't mo gusto yun?
Pachismis naman. Hindi mga na to. Anong ginagawa mo dyan? Parang antimang.
Sorry. Can I ask you a question?
Can't you see I'm busy here?
Foreman.
Foreman na tayo. Where's
You
your
know where
phone?
your foreman is?
Yeah, of course I do.
So can you tell me?
Bakit ko galit?
Like I said, I'm busy here.
Ah, naka-earphone siya.
Kasi nagaan siya. Ikaw nga, kusapin mo yan. Hisirawan mo yan.
What? I can't hear you.
I'm looking for your boss.
My what?
Patayin mo kaya yan.
Pairit na.
I want to talk to you. Can you turn that off?
I can't hear you.
Turn it off.
I still can't hear you.
Sinapak ko mo. Ayaw na. Dito tayo. Bakit likod mo? Ako din.
What's your job here?
Oh, I lift heavy shit, man, until my back breaks.
Sounds easy enough.
You're telling me.
Looking for...
I'm looking for someone.
Oh, yeah? Me too. My damn doctor fixed my back.
Tira,
help you
lipat
with
ka
that.
na sa kama.
Well, then I can't help you either.
Diyan ka na. Para sa nahihirapan, ayoko lang pala. Ayun ang
Anybody?
kusapit to.
Come in. Over?
Hey, I'm looking for your boss.
So am I. But this piece of shit don't work. God damn.
Ay, may arm wrestling dito.
Oh, wait.
Pwede tayo sabay mag-CR dito.
Have fix it.
You should do what I do when things don't work.
Yeah, what's that?
Hand it over.
Okay.
No.
Here you go. Try it now.
Hello? Anybody? Over? Well, still not working.
Kala ko gagana. Saan?
Pwede tayo arm wrestling.
Come on,
Pwede ba tayo? Uy, pwede tayo.
Hey there.
Yeah.
You want to have a go?
Ay,
Oh, gusto ko din.
ay.
All right.
You can't handle
Let's see
it.
what you can do.
Ayan.
Ayan. Wait.
Yeah.
Wait lang.
Wala na.
You're about to go down, my friend.
Let's do this.
Can't handle it.
3, 2.
Teka, ang hirap nito. Hindi mo alam kung anong control, ah.
Not enough. Take him down. Yeah. Not enough.
Hey!
Do better than that, Vincent.
Ouch.
Come on, come on.
My hand! My hand!
Nice.
Toilet buddies. CR ka sa kabila.
Tara. Ikaw yung pumipito talaga. Nag-enjoy pag CR.
Wala pang something.
Relieved sila.
Uy, tumae ka.
Wala eh. Wala, hindi na
Yeah.
tayo tumatalo. Nakakabata.
You can't handle it. Yeah. You can't handle
Ito,
it.
baka foreman to.
Dito form. Ay, naghahanga. Naglag.
Ay,
Take him down. Yeah.
Naglag ako
yan.
eh.
Okay na.
Hey, you
Naglag
know who
din
your boss
sa'yo.
is?
Sa akin.
Sa'yo lang.
I haven't seen him all day.
Sa akin.
How about you up there? You know where he is?
Who the hell are you?
Don't mind him. He's just scared.
Ring.
What is he scared
Scared
of? Heights?
Yeah.
Why is it always me up here?
It's not always you.
Yes, it is.
I'll let you two lovebirds work this out on your own.
Yeah.
Uy,
Ay,
pwede
may ano,
mag-enter.
enter na. Enter daw, enter.
Come on, man.
Go, go, go.
What is this? What the hell am I looking at?
Onabs
Dipshit, can you explain this
sa
shit? Well, yeah, it looks like you just spit it
Nahanap
out.
ko kung
It's
saan
two
tumig ko,
here.
saan
I
umano
told you it
tumulong.
should be 4. Well, no. 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 What are you, some kind of stupid? I think you misunderstand. You're a fucking idiot. Well, no. Are you an
Hey,
idiot?
that's the
It's
guy.
a simple question.
Yeah, I see
sir,
him.
I'm sure we decided on
Oh,
you're
nuts.
fired. Go home. But sir.
Sir,
Oh, shit.
si Reyna ba yun?
Take the stairs. I'll go this
Hindi
way.
ko alam. Alam, hindi mo
Oy,
din.
ang gagawin?
Shitty elevator. Go faster.
Naku, naglag yung...
Stop running, damn it.
Eat shit!
Ay, kita ko na siya.
Saan siya nagpunta? Ay, naku.
Out of the way.
Ako pupunta. Ay, nakita ko na siya.
Ay, nalaglag ako.
Oh,
Ano yun?
what? Ulit.
Kasi nakataka siya.
Hmm.
Hindi sila yung Theolabs niya.
Ano ata yan? Lethal Company? Wait, saan to?
Stop running, damn it.
Oh, wait. Need ko umuwi.
Shit. Shitty elevator. Go faster.
Ano dun ata yan eh? Multiplayer game.
Out of the way.
Oo. Pero parang hindi daw siya
Ah.
naglalaro. Parang JF lang.
Oh, hindi ko alam.
Wala, bagal. Umakit ng putik.
Hey, asshole!
Ah, butit na press ko.
Whoa, shit.
Ang gagawin ko?
Asan siya?
Hindi ko alam
Ay,
ang gagawin
hindi.
ko.
Pala
Ayun,
yun.
nakita ko na siya. Dito na siya. Lapit na.
He cut me off. He's on your side. Sorry. I see him. You're blind, Ray.
Watch where you're going, asshole!
What's up?
Asan na siya? Ay,
Dito
nakita
sa akin.
kita.
Watch it, you fucking numbnuts!
Go, 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 go. Kaya,
Head pala. Pero JF lang yung sinend ni Onabs na yun, ni Berwin. O, yun yung game mismo.
Where'd he go?
baka nag-record
Ang
ng GIF. Hindi ko sure.
Hey, relax. No need to use that now, okay?
Why the hell not?
Let's focus on finding him first.
Oh my
Whatever.
God.
Let's go.
Hanapin na naman siya. Teka, lobat na yung mouse ko.
Hmm.
Bigla-bigla na lang, hindi gumagalaw yung angle.
Ano meron dito? Itaas. Wala.
Wala.
Wala. Wala.
Oh no.
Move! Dali! Dali, dali! Wala!
Pwede ka na makakapili ko pa ba yan?
Ako yung takot sa heights, diba?
Hindi ko matandaan.
Alam ko, parang natatandaan ko
Ship?
siya yung
No.
madalas na tao. Dito ako sa kabila.
Wala din kayo talaga.
Dito.
Let's look around. He's probably hiding somewhere.
Dito sa CR.
Ta. Ay, malaki ito.
Dito CR.
Hey! Whoa!
Ay!
Ay!
No!
Bastos!
What the
Bastos!
What have you been eating?
Bastos!
Baho!
Dito.
Aray.
Wala.
Can't have gotten too far.
There's
Oh,
another
shit.
container here. Let's check it out.
Wala.
Wala din.
Ako
Hindi naman
dito.
sinabi. Taguan pala to.
Uy!
Pinto. Ay,
He's over here!
ay, yung pinto.
Uy.
He locked
No,
it!
no, no.
Help me bust it open!
Sabay ulit. Sabay. Nice.
Yes.
Eat shit, Leo! You got
Ah.
that piece of shit! I'm gonna kill you!
So,
Kinuha niya yung
Hey,
phone.
Vince! Listen, I got an idea.
yun yung
May
crane.
crane tayo.
Yeah, okay.
Ano pa ba siya?
Ay, di doon ka sa kabila.
Wait. Excuse me. Hindi ako
Bring it
makaalis.
over here!
Yan. Dito. Dito? Ano?
Ayun, oh. Lapit ka dun sa ano.
Ah.
All the way!
On the way down.
Nice. Dalan mo ako. PY.
Let's go! Let's go!
Let's go.
Do you see him? No! I don't see him
Parang
anywhere!
nasa
I don't
dulo
know
siya.
where he went.
Gusto ko
Keep
siyang
looking.
itulak.
He's gotta be up there somewhere.
Oh!
Ay, yan. Akin na. Go. Oh, putik ka.
Hey! He's heading for the crane! Cut him off! Yeah!
Gagawin mo. Tatakbo na naman.
Shit!
Oh! Anong gagawin ko?
Oh, tragis na yan.
Oh my god. Oh my
Hindi mo
god.
ako nagta-take time siya.
Just keep moving. You're not afraid of heights.
Fucking numbnuts.
Hindi kayo dyan.
Oh my god.
Ay, putik ka.
Ang taas. Ay, kita ata. Ang galing, no? Amazing pa din. Go! Go, Vincent. Tulak mo yan. Uy!
Wala pa akong pinipindot pero may pindot-pindot
I'm
na ako.
coming, Vincent!
Ito na.
Letter E lang.
Lapit na ako.
Ayan, ako po. Wala lang lang. Oh,
Oh! Wait lang. Malapit na, malapit na.
Ala.
Dito na ako. Nanonood ako sa'yo eh.
Pati ako nanonood sa'yo. Ay, hayop. May slide.
Oy.
Oh.
Puro takbuhan ah.
Ala, ang hirap ng control. Bakit kaya mo kontrolin?
Salubungin natin.
Let me go!
Ah, sige. Ayan.
We need to hold him down! Come on!
Go. Left.
Ah, shit! Where do you think you're going? Get your hands off me!
Take it easy.
Ay,
Lakas
taas.
niyo. Sabi, interrogate.
So, you gonna tell me where Harvey is?
Fuck you, I ain't telling you shit.
Fuck me, huh? Okay. Oh, look at this.
Whoa!
A gun. I wonder what you could do with this.
If you could stick it up your ass.
You know what? Let's put it here for now. Hey, Vincent. I don't know about you, but I see a lot of different things here that could
Uy,
make this
baka
guy
makuha
talk.
niya yan.
What do you say?
Loko.
Guys, come on.
I've got a few ideas.
Yeah, me
Ang
too.
gagawin?
Ayun.
Let's see if he'll talk or not.
Sasabotage ata natin.
Lamp. Ang gagawin? Wallet.
I bet there's something valuable
He's
in
about to
here.
get a real shock.
Nail gun.
Classic.
Ah.
A lamp? You gonna put the light in my eye?
Ay,
Is that your bright idea?
This is gonna hurt, smartass.
Ah!
Ah! Ah! Ah! Ah! Ah!
Eto,
Start
to.
talking.
Ah! Please stop!
torture ang putik.
Gusto ko to, nail.
You gonna talk
Mail
or
gun.
what?
I ain't said shit.
Yeah? How about this?
Oh!
Huh?
Oh,
You
shit.
like this?
Oh!
I bet this will make him cry.
Pistol na kaya. Ang tagal.
No more Mr. Nice Guy.
Sa blowtorch.
Ow!
Ay, 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 ay.
Stop it!
Huli na yung
You're gonna break
pistol.
my arm.
You better start talking then.
Ah!
Ah, my arm, man!
Next time, I will break it.
Huli na yung pistol siguro.
Okay.
I'm gonna burn
Tapos ka
your
na sa
face
nail
off if
gun,
you
no?
don't stop
Wallet.
talking.
Ah.
Fuck you. Fuck me, huh? How about the dick?
Whoa,
then?
whoa, no, not the dick! Ah!
Ay!
Hot! Oh, please! Please, my dick!
Now we're talking.
Baka may something dyan sa wallet.
Ayan na.
Oh,
Alright, you win. I'll tell you what you
ano
want.
meron sa wallet? Nakaka-curious.
Yeah?
Gagawin nito.
Start talking then.
Alright. Calm down, man. Calm down. Somewhere in Mexico. I don't know where exactly, but he's in Mexico. He's got a
Mexico.
big mansion there. It's the truth. I swear.
So that's where the rat is
Mexico.
hiding, huh?
Yeah,
Mexico.
that's where he is.
Mexico.
Don't tell him I told you.
You don't tell me what to do.
Alright. Calm down, man.
See you later.
Hey,
Let's go.
guys!
Ay, ang pistol.
Where you going?
Oo
Don't leave
nga.
me here! You're crazy! Untie me! Guys! Come back!
Uy, yung pistol mo, iniwan.
Iniwan yung pistol.
Pati yung wallet.
Napitpit ko yung wallet. Hawak ko. Kinuha ko yun.
Guess we're heading down to Mexico then.
Yeah. We're gonna
Aray,
need a gun for
driving
this.
na naman.
That's probably a good
Ayun,
idea.
hawak mo na yung pistol.
What are you
Ano?
doing?
What does it look like?
Wait. Step aside.
Talino mo talaga eh, no?
There you go.
Yeah.
Ikaw magdadrive.
Gusto ko yan.
I got a contact that might fly us down to Mexico.
That's good. And I got an idea on how to get those guns. But we're gonna need cash.
We can't risk robbing a bank now.
There are way easier places to rob than banks.
Like what?
Houses.
Ano gawin? Ha?
Houses.
Houses?
Mas madali ma-rob compared to
Marab.
banks.
Dadagdag pa ng ano? Gasolinahan.
A gas station? You think they'll have enough money?
Oh,
They better
okay.
have. I'm not going after Harvey with just a handgun.
Yeah, well, guess there's only one way to find out.
Okay then. You ready?
Yeah, why don't you give me the
Dagdag pa.
gun?
What do you mean?
Look, we need to keep a low profile. That's not really your thing.
I say we do this the fast way, man. Just in and out.
I say we do this the easy way. Let's not make a scene.
Let's not make a scene.
Sure. Whatever, man.
Ayaw sa'yo.
Ayoko
Parang ano
na
siya
magulo
ito.
eh.
Bara-bara.
Action first, think later. Ganun. Nasa iyo yung baril. Hello.
Hey, what are you up to?
What does it look like, man? I need gas.
Let me give you some advice.
Oh, yeah? What's that?
For your own sake, take a hike.
What do you mean, man?
You can thank me later. Let's just say it's for your own good. Get out of here. Come on, go.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. I'll
Okay.
go.
May candy oh.
Kinain
Ay,
niya.
You okay?
Sure.
Ay.
Why are you asking?
Because you looked a little freaked out.
I'm fine.
You sure?
Yeah, just leave me alone.
I miss fishing. It's been too long.
Ano yan?
Damn, I'm really thirsty.
Wala lang. Wala lang.
Ito, uminom na ako.
So, mga walang pambayad, mga hold up na nga lang, nanguha pa ng ano.
Binalik.
Pinalik pa.
Loko talaga.
Ano?
Uncivilized talaga tong tao to.
Wala, hindi na ako pwedeng uminom.
Iba-iba ata tayo ng ini-interact.
Pwedeng gawin na.
Hey, does this place have a lot of business?
Yeah, I guess so. Why?
Ang gagawin natin.
I'm thinking of buying this place, actually.
What? This place? I don't think it's for sale.
Everything's for sale, man.
Yeah, I suppose you're right.
Ay, labas ka.
Patay, naka-chill.
Can I help you with something?
Start robbery na ba tayo?
Browsing nga muna.
Browsing.
No, ma'am. I'm just browsing.
Knock yourself out.
Ayot lang.
Okay. Pag ikaw,
Ano ba ako?
ano ba siyang kausap mo?
You need help with something, honey?
Nah, just looking around.
Ay,
Go ahead, look around. Why are you looking at me?
pero parang wala na tayo ano. Kausap na natin.
Looks like you're having a
lahat.
bad day.
If you worked here for 10 years, you'd know every day is a bad day.
I hear.
Okay.
Wala na.
Wala na.
Pero ano na tayo, robbery
I'll
na.
go.
Baka,
Can I help you with something?
bakit itong taray na ito sa akin?
Taray sa
Hey,
talaga.
ma'am. I don't want to use this gun. So please open the register for me.
You're wasting your time. There's barely any money in there.
Let me be the judge of that. Open it, please.
Here, look.
There's a safe in the back, isn't there?
No, there isn't.
Right. Hands up, ma'am. Everybody stay calm. We don't want to hurt anybody. Leo, there's a safe in the back. We should check it out.
Oh, no. Oh my god.
Vincent! Let him go! Get over here, man! You fucking piece of shit! You okay?
Yeah, I'm fine. Let's go.
You can come in.
Uy, sa... Ano yun mo yung cashier siguro?
Check it out. We need a combination.
Okay.
This is what I'm gonna give you. This is what I'm gonna give you
Is
right
he
here.
loading his gun?
Or hahanap ng...
Just wait.
Hoy, ang ginagawa mo. Ay,
Combination.
may baril siya. May
I'm
baril
just gonna
din
go.
siya.
We need the combination.
I don't have it.
Combination.
I don't want to hurt you.
I don't want to
Sige.
hurt you, but I will. Just give me the combination.
Hoy, tayo.
Okay, relax.
Ayan na.
137.
Okay,
137.
137. I got the guys. Let's get out of here.
Let's go, let's go. Tatakbo na ulit tayo.
Hindi tayo sasakay.
Diyan ata.
Ay, dito. Pwede pa sumakay.
Liam.
Ako magta-drive?
Oo. Oh, yung side nila pag ano eh.
Dapat pala nagpagas muna tayo bago tumakbo. Mabusan pa tayong gas sa gitna.
Punta na tayo ng Mexico.
Yeah, no problem.
Mexico.
Just make sure to bring the goods,
Mexico.
okay?
Mexico, Mexico,
Yeah, I
Mexico.
know where that is.
Wala na yung mga
Got it.
tayo yung magda-drive.
All right, see you there.
Puro cutscene na kaagad.
So, we got the guns. You trust this person?
I do. Stop worrying, Vincent. It's not good for your heart.
My heart is just fine. I just want to know what we're dealing with.
Relax, Mr. Paranoia. I trust her, okay? Besides, she owes me one.
Her?
Now let's go get those guns.
If you say so.
You need to relax more, all right?
Yeah, yeah.
May blood kasi parati.
Ano lang, being logical. Siya yung thinking person.
Reasonable eh, na.
Hmm. Ano naman to? Sino to? Ah, siya na yung sa guns.
Jasmine,
Leo,
you good?
I'm good. Who's this guy?
Don't worry, he's with me.
Oh, he's with you.
Yeah.
Oh.
I'm Vincent.
Oh, hello, Vincent. How nice to meet you. You're a fucking idiot.
What?
Why don't you bring your whole family next time? I'm out.
Hey, what's wrong with you?
What's wrong with me? What the fuck is wrong with you? You think I'm vending ice cream here? Listen, I told you I don't do business with strangers. And this guy, he looks like a stranger to me.
Do you have a problem with me?
Yeah, I got a problem with you. You have a problem with me?
Ay, sorry. May pat.
Interview.
Who the fuck is this guy?
Whoa, 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 relax. Put the gun down. Jasmine, put the gun down. Come on. I told you, he's with me. Let's just do this, fast and easy. Besides, you owe me one, remember?
Okay, but it's the last time. And then we're even.
Here. This should be more than enough.
Hurry up.
Ano ba yun?
Oh,
Ang hirap yung binat.
dapat.
Kaya nga.
Oh, mamimili tayo ng weapons.
Dito ako sa
Nice. The brand new
machine
MP5.
gun.
Perfect for close
MP5.
quarters combat.
AK. AK. Rifle.
Ay, taray. May
Well, this
parol
place
pa.
has seen better days. Looks
No.
like a mess.
What are you
Walang
talking
option yun
about?
sa akin.
It's perfect for practice
Huh?
shooting. Come on.
Ayaw kasi.
Come on already. Just
Hindi
pick
ka
a
pwede
gun.
kasing mag-ano. Bakit nga?
Nawala yung... Pero ito yung sa akin.
Hello, baby. Aren't you badass?
AK.
Perfect. Let's see what these guns can do.
Lots of
Ito.
empty houses here. Let's shoot at them.
Wait lang ah. Try lang ako.
Now this one does a lot of damage.
So, may practice dito.
Asan?
Ayan, yan yung may mga bote. Ayan, may mga pintan.
Shot.
Hey, Leo, try to shoot this.
Pero kaya mo? Ihagis ko, tapos
Oh, wait.
paparilin ko.
Wait. Try ko
All
to.
right. What can you do, my old friend?
Ito is... Saan ko... Sige nga, try. Ay! Saan banda?
Pataas.
Wait.
Pataas siya eh. Paano siya eh. Palobo.
Okay.
Ayun,
Game.
Taas pa.
Oh, come on. What was that?
I hit it.
You're a horrible
Yup.
shot, Leo.
I was blinded by the sun.
Ito pa.
Seriously?
Oh
I'm
my
trying.
God, ang hirap.
Hirap sa controller. Kailangan ko mag-mouse. Ay,
Oh, come
tumama.
on. What was that?
I hit
Hindi.
it.
Nice.
Ayan. Taas
Seriously?
masyado.
I'm trying.
Gano na lang ako. Shotgun. Para scattered.
Tatry mo ulit. Gano'n.
Last na.
Pwede ba yan sa ano? Di ba lang yan? Short range lang yan.
Mas short pero scattered kasi.
Sa
Sige nga.
game.
Ay, sorry.
Come on, what was that?
I hit it.
Ah,
Good one, Leo.
I'm
1,
the man.
2, 3.
Oh, come on, what was that?
I hit it.
hirap.
You're a horrible shot, Leo.
I was blinded by the sun.
Tas.
Seriously?
I'm trying.
Ikaw, gusto mo mag-try?
Sige nga. Okay. Sige.
Bilis.
Really?
I'll get it next time.
Machine
Impressive,
kasi ito
Vincent.
eh.
Well, I've been practicing.
You even trying?
Teka.
No,
Really?
I'll get it next time.
Hinabol eh, no? Sige.
Oh, sorry.
Man,
Sapa, sapa.
Hirap
Shut
din
up, Leo.
pala to. Okay.
You even trying?
No,
Really?
I'll get it next
Mahirap
time.
yung kung may titirahin tayong ganito.
Yung gumagalaw, no?
Oo.
Man, you suck.
Kahit
Shut
na.
up, Leo.
Try ko mag-mouse
You even
after.
trying?
Sige. Teka.
Sapa.
Sige, last na. Nirita ako dito ah. Dito ka magigige.
Okay.
Mahirap din sa mouse. Sige. Kuha ko lang.
I didn't know you could
Yan.
shoot.
Now you know.
Sige, ikaw naman ulit. Mouse ka nga.
Try ko.
Try mo ka ay,
Ay,
nagro-roll
ano
yung
kasi-
akin eh.
Wait lang ah. Options. Control ko. Very good. Ayan.
Mouse ka na.
Hmm.
Okay.
Okay.
1, 2, 3.
Nice shot.
Can I say I'm a natural?
1, 2, 3.
Space. Oh, pwede mag-roll.
Ah.
Ah.
Ano kaya? Tumigil ko kaya talaga sa susunod na natin.
Magpo-post
Yung
ako.
may mga
pero-
lumilipad-lipad.
Good one, Leo.
I'm the man.
Ay!
One, two, three. 1, 2, 3.
Ito pala pwedeng practice na ano yung target shooting.
1, 2, 3.
Nice shot.
Can I say I'm a natural?
Okay
Ay, hindi
na yun?
kasi scattered yung
Hmm. Okay na ako dito.
Hindi ako. Ako din. Submit.
So, Jasmine, what have you been up to lately?
Oh, you know.
Pispis
the
lang pala.
usual.
Halika na,
What
let's na
about you?
tayo.
Did they just
Wait,
let you out
wait,
of prison?
Ay,
What do you think, Jasmine?
You busted out.
Of course I did.
Good for you then.
Thank you.
okay.
Ikaw
Wala na ba
magdadrive?
dito?
Ay, may ano pala.
Baka may something. Wait.
This is the perfect place for target practice.
Oh. Wala, pinapag-target practice talaga. Pati yung pag-hide, oh. Hiding spots.
Sama, no?
Feeling ko may barilan tayo.
Malalang ano to, barilan mamaya, ah.
No?
Pero wala nang kahit ano dito.
Okay. Here we go. Last na to. Ano meron dyan? Ano yan? Saan pa?
Ano nangyari doon? Ah, ayun, may ano.
Ano?
May tag dito. May tumatawid doon.
Nasaan ka?
Wag, Steve.
Oh. Ay, nasaan ka?
Yan. Ang galing mo. Ay, sorry, napindot ko. Teka. Fire dapat. Galit sila. Unli mo no?
Ganda nga yan. Yung sa Far Cry namin, lagi ako nauumusan.
Hindi na siya practice shooting lang nga dyan.
Ito din
Wala
eh.
na. Wala nang something dito.
Okay, let's go. Nagka-drive ako?
Ikaw magdadrive, sige. Ay, mali. Teka.
Bumalik ka.
Nasaan ako? Ay, nasa likod ko. Ay, hindi.
You ready to go? Give me a minute. I want to make sure I have the right weapon.
Yun na. Bagay yung ilaw ng keyboard ko. Ganda na. Yan. Hindi naman pala magdadrive eh.
Ah, cutscene lang uli.
Cutscene na ulit eh.
Ayan. Excited pa naman ako mag-drive. Oh. Wait, nasa ano na ba tayo? Hindi pa to ano eh.
Pero tayo sa Mexico.
Hindi pa to Mexico, di ba? Siyempre.
Hindi pa.
Uy,
Pero
sino
hindi pa
tatawagan
din,
mo?
Uy, Jasmine ah.
Umayos ka.
Hey, it's me. I got some information
Oo
about
Ay,
Leo.
naku.
pa.
Okay, you know where he is?
I just met him.
Give me his location.
Sure, but it's gonna cost you.
Don't worry about that. Just tell me where he is. Got it. Good job. Talk to you later.
Oh no.
Harvey! Harvey!
What's up?
I found him.
Good. Make sure we put our best guy on this. I
Oh
want
no.
You got it?
Yes, boss.
Traitor ka, Jasmine.
Patayin mo nga siya.
Jasmine, traitor.
Patayin ko nga si Jasmine.
Dapat pala binaril na natin kanina yan.
Uy, yung buntis mong asawa.
My name is Carol Moretti. I'm pregnant. And I think I'm going into labor. And I'm all alone. Please send an ambulance.
Pilipinas ka. Ilan na yung nanganak na sa bahay kasi ang tagal ng ambulance kasi traffic.
Seryoso ba yan?
Seryoso tanong.
Kala ko seryosong nangyayari.
Hey, can you stop by that
Feeling ko
phone
lang.
booth over there? Are you sure you can get us a plane? I sure hope so. Yeah, me too, man. I don't want to walk to Mexico.
Uy. Ano ba kasi no? Hindi theater pa.
Well, there's your phone. Yep. I'll look around. Make sure to get us that plane.
Paano? Print sa
Still don't have
keyboard.
any change for the call.
Left shift.
Hey, what do you
Ano?
charge
Hindi
for a
ko
pack
talaga
of
basa.
smokes here?
Same as everywhere else. It's 36 cents.
Hindi ko nabasa kung ano nangyari.
36 cents
Target
for a
change
lousy
for
pack
the
of
call.
smokes? Are you serious?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Price has been 36
Kailangan ko ng
cents for the
barya.
past 2 years.
Baka dito sa
Where have you been?
owner.
Been around. Just haven't been buying any cigarettes, that's all.
Well, are you gonna buy something or what?
Nah, I'm good.
Ayaw mo po sigar.
Uy. Tawagan mo na.
Ayaw change eh. Yung bariya.
I don't want to be with you anymore.
Ay, nag-away sila yung dito.
But I saw you flirting with her.
I didn't.
Bad move, man.
Bad move.
Fucking mind, we're talking here.
Sorry, but you have to buy something first.
Yeah, I do mind. Just like your girlfriend here did when you were flirting with another girl.
At least someone understands me.
Please, nakayano ka, nakisaw-saw ka na.
Sorry.
I'm not the one
Lagi
you
ako
should apologize
nakikisaw-saw eh.
Fine, alright, I'm sorry.
Say it like you mean it.
I'm really, really sorry.
I don't
Ah,
believe
di
you.
ka naman sorry.
Ba't may pera ako?
Nakabili ka?
You're welcome.
May
Thanks.
pera ako eh.
Pinambili mo ng cigarette tapos... Ah, para may coin.
Kailangan ng
Hey, what do
coin
you
dito
charge
sa
for a pack
zone
of
eh.
smokes here?
Same as everywhere.
Kick mo nga yun.
Kala ko, pipindutin na naman. Sa'yo na naman yun. Ang galing na nagpapan yung
It's Vincent.
split
Kaya
screen
nga eh.
Yeah, I'm fine.
para
thanks.
ma-focus yung main
Look. I need to fly somewhere.
event.
Tomorrow. Can you make that work?
Ring, ring, motherfucker.
Okay, great.
Ring mo po.
What?
Ay.
When?
Ayan.
Where's she?
Oh,
Ay,
nanganak
yung
yung
asawa
asawa
niya.
niya.
Okay. Thanks.
Ay, so di pa tayo makapunta Mexico.
Gagawin mo.
Pupuntahan pa natin.
Did you get us a plane?
Yeah.
Hi.
Yeah, I did. But I need to go.
What? What are you talking about? You okay?
I'm fine. But I need to be somewhere else right now.
Hey, you can't just walk away.
I'm not walking away. But something happened and I need to be there. Alright?
You're on the loose.
Vincent,
Right there.
come too far to back down now. You need to talk to me. Tell me what's going on in your head. Talk to me.
I can't talk about it.
Ayan na!
Ay, yung ano.
Silencer.
Okay. Fine. It's my wife. She's... Oh, shit!
Ay! Gulat ako.
Haha, na-miss.
Natakbo na naman.
Takbo again?
Shit! The guns are in the car! There's no time for that! We have to go! Come on! Yeah!
That's not good. What? What the? Galing?
Quick! Come here! Leo! Hold on! I'll help you barricade the door!
Aray ko.
This should buy us some time. We gotta get out of here. I know.
Saan?
Up there. The vent. I see it.
Wait lang. May gagawin lang.
Ay, naglag ako.
Vincent, get up there and I'll push this across.
Sige. Wala, tumakbo ka naman, Vincent. Ang bobo mo.
Go. Talon ka na dyan.
Ge.
Go.
Minsan kasi hindi pwede mag-space.
Get over here. I'll help you up.
Spacebar.
Wala akong binibigay.
Sada. Yun, vent.
Yan, nakapasok na din siya.
Ang galing.
Paano siya akit?
Sakto.
Paano siya makakapit?
Oh?
Oo nga.
Oh, tayo pala. Sorry.
It's too heavy. Help me push this.
Nakatingin na naman ako sa screen.
Ako din. Ay, hindi. Hindi ko malaman ang gagawin eh. Ang taray ng 3 screens, 3 splits yung ano.
Tama ay.
We can control the next one from here. Get behind it.
Ay!
Oh! Oh, namatay ako.
Ano ka? Nabaril ka.
Nasilip ako, sorry.
Ah. Ano yun? Ay, kokontrol ko yung ilaw.
Ilaw ba?
We can control the next one
Oo.
from here.
Ayan o yung... Ay, control platform.
Ay,
Ito,
ito.
tama.
Yan.
Sige, tara.
Sabayan kita.
Sige, tuloy-tuloy lang. Ay, buwa ka. Ambush.
Nasa left screen na ako.
Ay!
Ikaw naman.
Ayan. Kailangan ko rin palang bumaba. Hintay ko nung gagawin.
Nice.
Akala ko ikaw lang may gagawin.
Nunood lang yun.
Wala ka palang maglakad kanina.
Pag may nangyayari kasi sa isang screen, nakaka-distract din eh.
Ay, naka. Patay.
Okay. Okay.
Patay.
Look, I don't know what's going on with you, but we need to finish what we started. Harvey's gonna keep sending guys like this.
Yeah, I know.
Do you? Then why the hell did you want to leave all of a sudden?
It's my wife. She's in the hospital.
What's the problem?
We just had a baby.
That's great news. Congrats, man.
Sure, it's great. Thanks.
You don't seem too happy about it.
Well,
Trust me, I'm happy. It's really complicated between me and my wife.
Look, complicated or not, you gotta go see a kid. Whatever's going on between you two, it's still your kid.
I know. You're right.
Of course I am. You know I am.
Yeah,
Look, you got us that plane, didn't you?
I did.
Here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna go to the hospital, you're gonna see your kid, and then we go get that plane. You with me?
Yeah.
bait-bait kaya ni Leo.
Vincent, I need to trust you on this one.
You can trust me.
All right then. Let's go.
Oh, yun na yun.
You know,
Yan na ba yung
I could
plane
tell
na
it was
yun?
your first kid.
Ano ba yung plane?
You could.
Kung
Siguro
malaman,
nga.
pero bakit ako
Back
may
at the hospital,
bulletproof? Ba't tayo
the way you were holding your
naka-bulletproof?
baby
Siguro
and shit.
kasi maglalaban na.
Sorry about the shit part. I didn't mean it in a bad way, you know. But yeah. Anyway, it's a great thing watching your kid grow up.
Yeah,
Ano nga kaya?
I can imagine it is.
What's wrong, man? What's the problem with you and your wife?
Look. Carol is the love of my life. We've always wanted to have a child. We tried for years. Every time we failed, it was like a part of us died.
Sad.
And when it finally happened, that day when we found out,
Nakulong naman siya.
we've never been so happy. Then, everything went to hell. And I ended up in prison.
So, kasi,
Damn. Yeah.
Haba naman. Parang ito yung nagpapatagal sa game eh, no? Yung mga ganito.
oo nga.
Hindi yung mismong playtime.
Parang mas matagal pa nga to kaysa sa yung actual na kinokontrol natin yung character.
Oo nga eh. Feeling ko din. More than half nung ano.
Oo. Uy, baka may mga police dyan.
Kaya nga eh.
Vincent,
Parang pagkakita natin kay Carol, tapos tama na ako. Tapos na ako.
Ano?
Wait pa.
confusing.
Pagkahanap natin kay
No,
Carol,
they seem pretty
okay
sige,
na ako.
sige. Okay.
Oh, hi. Are you my doctor?
There's an elevator.
What makes you think I'm your doctor?
Well, aren't you?
No, but I'll take it as a compliment.
Then where is my doctor?
I don't know, but you need to find him, and fast.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, sir. How can I help you?
My wife does
My wife just had a baby.
Oh, congratulations, sir.
Thank you. So, which way to the maternity ward?
Just, take the elevator to the top floor. And then
Oh,
follow the sign.
am I seeing double?
Elevator,
Or are you
top
two
floor.
twins?
Top floor.
We're twins.
Figures.
Ay. Sabay talaga sila.
You're completely identical, right?
That's right.
You always talk like this?
All the time.
Huh.
Creepy.
Twins are cool.
Ayoko nasa iyo. Masakit na.
Your arm's not.
Ay. Ako. Dito daw sa elevator.
Mom, I don't like it here. It scares me.
Your first time in hospital?
Yes.
Wait lang.
Here's some
Ay, may
advice.
na.
If the doctor hurts you,
Board game na
just
naman.
punch him in the face.
Hey.
Oh,
Oh, sorry.
ano,
Don't punch him.
tawag dun?
Just slap him.
Yung bubuo ka ng line.
Leo,
Ah,
let's give it a go.
Ay, saan yun?
limang line ba yun? Sige, diretso kaliwa. Yan. Upper left.
Come on, just one game.
Yan.
Okay, one games.
Limang linya to, no?
Hindi
Four
ko
lang
sure.
pala. O 4 lang. Pala, di pala. Thanks. Oh, Ilan ba? Apat nga ba? Parang apat. Tapos pa tayo dito.
Matatapos yan.
May mananalo at mananalo.
I think so. Thank you.
Ay!
Sir, bet you didn't see that one coming.
Ano ba yan?
Yeah, right.
Kaya
Ayos yun,
pala
no?
may mananalo. Ako na. Mananalo.
Are you scared?
Sabi sa'yo eh. Wait lang ah. Kasapan ko lang.
Dito ako sa
Good
matanda.
evening.
Can I
Uy,
help
may
you,
coffee
sir?
oh.
Asan?
Sa tabi.
Nah, just looking around.
All right.
Let me guess. Car accident?
Yes. It's the third time in 6 weeks.
She says I'm too
Oh,
old to drive.
tingnan mo yung newspaper.
Wala. Nice. Buti na lang. Hindi pwede. Authorized personnels. Car accident.
You look like you've been through hell and back.
Hindi
We
pwede
were in a
mo
car
ako.
accident.
Just curious, what caused the car crash?
She says I fell asleep at the wheel.
He did.
Oh,
You did.
no.
He did.
Are you sure you should be driving, old man?
Of course, I'm an excellent driver.
Same,
Excellent, huh?
same.
He's crashed the car 3 times already.
You should steal his keys next time.
Good idea.
Naruan pa yun oh.
Ow!
Sobrang
What's wrong
sakit
with you?
tatanawan
Hurts,
niya.
man. Hurts real bad.
You better stop faking it.
Why would I be faking?
Easy. Insurance money, of course.
Fuck you.
You better chill out before I make you feel some real pain. You got that?
Ang war freak eh, no?
Just leave me alone.
Yan pa lang eh.
Galit sa lahat to.
Stay away from me.
Character.
I'm contagious.
You are?
Yeah, I don't know what it is
Ba't hindi
yet,
ka
but you should
nakamask?
definitely stay away from me.
Hypochondriac.
I had a friend who was a hypochondriac.
I'm not a hypochondriac.
Hindi ko alam.
Not? Oh well, actually your face is pretty swollen.
What? Where? Are you serious?
Looks bad, man.
Oh my god. Is it really that bad?
Not a hypochondriac, huh?
That's a hype.
Raul.
Yeah, I think my arm is broken.
No, it's
Dami naman
not.
natin si...
Why can't you be more understanding?
I'm trying.
No, you're not. You're complaining that I'm complaining.
Yeah, because you are.
I just can't help that I'm in pain.
One of our doctors will see you soon.
Sorry, but it sounds to me like you're just using this as an excuse to whine.
Sir, with all due respect, we are having a private conversation.
Oh, you call that a conversation?
Oh my god, thank you.
No problem.
Wait, you're on his side now?
Lagi nakikipag-away. Lagi inaaway. Ito na. Hiwalay tayo ng elevator. Ay!
Hindi pwede. Top floor
Wait.
down. Ay! Oh my god.
Hindi niya tayo kilala.
Oh my god. Who are these?
You guys seem familiar. Have I seen you before?
Nah, I don't think so.
Okay. Whatever.
Security guard ba to? Ba't parang di ba nila kilala yung mga
But your
nakatao?
faces are so familiar. I'm sure I've seen you somewhere.
Naki-mount.
Or talk your way out na lang. Kasi
Sige.
pacifist tayo.
It's probably me.
It is?
Yeah, I'm here a lot. I got this disease. The doctors can't figure out what it is, but
Yes.
you don't have to worry about it. They don't think it's contagious. It's fine.
All right. Well, this is my floor, so
All right,
feel
take
better.
it easy.
Nice.
I know.
Nakaka-curious lang paano
Excited to see
pag
you, baby.
ni-knock out
I'm
natin
nervous. Understandable.
yung mga
I
tao.
was nervous too, but
Top
don't worry.
floor,
You'll be
tapos
fine.
daw may ano, ito
Thank you.
maternity ward left. Tapos, may balance.
How hard guys? This is fun.
Huh?
Yeah.
Ah.
I'm really good at than I thought.
Shit.
Ay, naglag ako.
Maybe not.
Ah. Dapat nasa gitna lang lagi yung bola.
Yung bola, oo. Hindi mo kita yung bola mo.
Thank you.
Shit.
Lala, baliktad daw.
Maybe not.
Mababalian pa ka dyan.
Maternity ward. Ano na sa inyo siyang maternity ward?
Does it
Hulog
really
natin.
take two guys to change a light bulb?
If you're in the union, it does.
Ang perfect.
We are in the union. Excuse me, ma'am. My wife just had a baby.
What's the name, please?
Carol.
Two guys to change a light bulb. What a scam.
Right, just
No
follow
wonder
me,
this
sir.
country's going to hell.
Thank you. Don't you have anything better to do?
I was
No.
just about to ask you the same thing.
Hey, Leo. You coming? Please,
Yeah.
Leo.
Kaliwa.
You don't have all day.
Left.
Sorry. Ito na.
Nakausap ko yung nurse eh, tapos tuloy-tuloy na.
Thanks.
Nag-enjoy pa ako mang-away ng mga tao.
Hey, Carol. You okay?
I'm fine.
Hindi siya nagulat na. Ay, hindi. Alin na
Vincent,
tumakas.
What are you doing here?
She's my daughter, too. This is, Leo.
It's nice to meet you, ma'am. Yeah. Baby girl, huh? I'll leave you guys alone. I'll be waiting outside.
Mang-away mo na siya sa
And,
labas.
Wait
congrats,
lang
by
ah.
the way.
Mang-away mo na sa labas. Lat,
Can I hold her?
may movie yung kaliwa. Tapos pwede kang throw
Okay.
cards.
Kakalat eh.
Ako ko, baby.
Eh!
Wala ka sa
She's
view.
so beautiful.
Ano ba yan?
She is.
You know, I miss you.
Vincent, please.
Wala.
I love you so
Parang,
much.
ay, hindi
I
nanonood
just
ka pa
have
ng
to
TV.
finish this.
Ayun, oo
You
nga.
have to
Sa akin
trust
ba
me.
yun?
Oh, feeling ko.
Nasakto eh, no?
What do you want me to say?
I just want you to trust me, okay? Things will be different.
You keep saying that, but you're gonna get yourself killed. I can't live with that.
I'm not gonna let that happen. I promise. You have to trust me, Carol.
Maririnig na yung pangalan nila.
Feeling ko din. Hala.
Nag-report na.
Dalawang mobile lang.
Vincent, we need to get the hell out! There he is! The cops are here!
No shooting. We're in the hospital.
Okay, let's go.
Uy, Vincent. Doon ka sa window.
Bentan.
Carol.
Just go.
Lumpok na.
Go.
Shit.
Ay, ang dami na bigla.
Uy, ikaw lang mag-isa.
Wala ka.
Grabe, laki ng
Ay,
screen.
puta.
Oh my god.
Na ano ako. Namali ako ng... Nagugulo ako sa control pagka iba yung angle mo, ano.
Ngayon, full screen ka na bigla, no?
Oo.
Shit.
There he is. He's running for it. Get him. Hey.
Saan ka? Kaya ka.
Alright, sorry.
Ay, bakit?
Kala ko diretso. Ano ba yan?
Ba't siya nalubong?
I didn't see. Parang may nakita akong yellow sa diretso eh. Ayun, no?
Ano naman?
Meron dun sa upper right.
Up!
Ah.
Hey, yo.
Wait lang. Hindi pa ako nakaka-react. Hindi pa ako sanay sa keyboard. Sorry.
Lipat ka naman na ulit na ano. Kasi sa shooting mo lang naman tinry, di ba?
Sige. Wait, try ko. Ayan.
Napause mo ba?
Wait lang. Wait lang, sorry.
Ayan, sige.
Kailangan ko na invert. Ba't kasi ako nasanay sa inverted?
Pagpalit ka ba?
Ah, naka-controller node to. Ito ba dito sa right side?
Ay, nako! Disconnect ako.
Oh no!
Wala.
DC din.
Ano ba yan?
Gusto mo mag-continue pa?
Ano
Or...
nangyayari? Parang di na din pala.
Sige, okay na.
Nebula. Ay, kung sama ng ugali nito.
Hindi rin ako.
Intense na nangyayari. Tapos...
Biglang madidisi.
Kaya nga. Ano ba yan? Wala. Try again tomorrow.
No problem.
Magpapalya. Palya.
Alia.
Bukas
Magtatanim na
palya. Lalaro ka pa?